Okay, FM 101.7.
Jina na mimbusa openibi. Ora Bright Kweku Apia, Executive Director at Child Rights International. Openi, good afternoon. Mpacho Boko die.
Oh, Nyamiado.
Okay. We have spotted a picture a Ekuapim Polo, purportedly a naked picture, though you don't see her private part, but you see say on Bob Brazia, on Shepanti, uhune sideways, but neba ejina nenim neba echiano, and ne neba ne birthday na we any birthday photo shooter wayama neba ediaba betu social media. So we want to find out per the existing legislation. Sa picture no etiamra na entiamra.
On the basis of our Quran side in it here, na if we want to go into law, it's a serious crime or committee. Despite Sabia Akrano Ayaneba. Oshe Omemu Hadebia me catch and compose Bibi a fan Koran who be a very serious because to the extent it says Accra and Antico police station go catch police maybe say why no Bonia. Before Betty was no the role of the police to ensure that the Accra can air no cry.
Okay, Opani, who see the why no etiamra emra ben emra ben
your children's act ebo enkora ho ban wo mamoha. And we share the criminal code. There are issues relating to how we use Kora Fakwan Biswa and Rano Betimiaka. Those things are there. The exposure, no, because of one of the things Emrano says we should preserve the dignity and the privacy of Ankara. And two, no, whatever action that we take, we should be in the best interest of Ankara. Indeed, if Oshe Nyawayana, make me read the caption, no. It's a very touchy caption, but the whole point is that it's not about emotions, it's about the principle of law, and that is exactly what we are looking at.
Okay.
But they should also
before Obeba Humanesono, Ekuapim Polo, Echiremu, the offer mua or the one about Enunti or Samfunino. But I am told, sir, Child Rights International, my reporter Ekuapim Polo to the CID, the police, and she has been invited by the CID headquarters. Can you confirm this for us?
Oh yes, I pay a lot of people sending me the pictures, and I maybe someone say, why I bet me I started the investigation who is one of the staff because there's this lady called Ekuapim Polo or a popular Ghana, and I'm sure okay, but this is not an actor. Will be a popular criteria. So we went into it. And then we decided to call the police, the matter to Director General CID.
Ekuapim Polo.
We invite him for further investigation with this particular case.
Ekuapim Polo, police for invite you, CID for invite you, or CID headquarters, Anna.
But CID invite me, Councillor Luchos Nakasane.
Okay, FM 101.7.